Is the global AI rally starting to crack? And should Indian investors be worried? South Korea's benchmark index, KOSPI, recently plunged by more than 10% in a single trading session, witnessing a market wide trading halt. The biggest losers were AI and semiconductor giants such as Samsung and HK Hynix, which witnessed a trading session of decline such as 10% to 12%. Over the past 2 years, AI has become the hottest trend to invest globally. Investors they rushed into AI related companies because of which they pushed the valuation to record highs. But now markets are questioning whether these valuation can match the earning as well. Adding to the pressures are rising global uncertainties, sell off in tech stocks, and people questioning whether these earnings in AI will fulfill or not. So, what does this mean for India? Let's talk about that. The good news about this is that India is not at all heavily dependent on AI or semiconductor such as countries like South Korea or United States. Indian IT giants such as TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech and Tech Mahindra have diversified their growth business, and instead of using AI only for business, they are using it as a growth driver. However, global sell-off does impact the investor sentiment. If the foreign investors are risk averse, we can witness a short-term volatility in our technology stocks. But remember, this sell-off is not because of the AI technology failing. It is because people are demanding profits instead of promises. The AI revolution is very much alive. The question is no longer who is actually using AI. It is about who is actually making money through AI. For investor, it is a reminder to focus on strong businesses, sustainable earnings and long-term growth rather than just following the market hype. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more such stock market updates.